here with Amruta. We are at the organic market, which is curated by Amruta. So, Amruta, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you. Hi.
You have done amazing job
Thank you.
of this event. Amruta, do you want to tell our viewers why you thought of curating this market?
Okay, so first of all, we have like a lot of flea market and a lot of other market happening, but this is especially for organic and sustainable products and for a lot of startups basically. So I had this place and I was thinking of doing something from long time.
Okay.
So instead of doing farmers market, I thought I'll invite other brands from, a lot of them are friends who are doing this organic and sustainable products.
And Amruta, why do you think that post-pandemic organic products have suddenly gained importance?
See, it always had importance. The reason it gained is people started thinking in lockdown, like, technology and all, everything has limited use and limited power. Nature is so important, and like for example, like fresh air or noise pollution has such a big impact on us. And that's why I decided to do plants. So, this is that.
Amruta, since you're talking about fresh air, I think you have some amazing plants here. So do you want to tell our viewers about what exactly are you doing?
Alright, so I have daisy plant, spider plant, this two are aglaonema, this is peace lily and snake plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are certified by NASA as one of the best, 5 of the best out of 8 air purifier plants for indoors. And snake plant, this also releases oxygen in the night, so you can keep them in the bedroom. If you keep too many plants in the bedroom, sometimes you might run out of oxygen, but not this one. So these all also gives you benefit of it takes other toxins out. So Udhaine, those things can help you with that in the air. And of course it looks beautiful. It gives, this is all Martina Kunda. So no plastic I've used here.
So she hasn't used plastic, she hasn't used chemicals.
Yes.
And you have done
Compost
some
fertilizer.
wonderful pots which are of ceramic, right?
Yeah, and Martin.
All right, so made out of clay, which is traditionally a art of India, where we used to make clay pots for centuries now.
Yeah.
So which are the other products you have here? Do you want to talk about that?
Yes, I think all the products are amazing. It's hard to choose, but I'll select few who came first. So I have kombucha drinks and vegan cakes.
Okay.
Then I have stationery, which is made out of garbage and other things that people have thrown. Then I have some groceries, which are really, really good and made out of organic and sustainable way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I am here with Deepal and Pooja. They are both part of this amazing initiative called Krishna Valley, which was started by their grandmother. So Deepal and Pooja, thank you so much for being here on my YouTube channel.
Thank you for having us.
So Deepal and Pooja, do you want to tell our viewers how this Krishna Valley started?
So we have a farmhouse in Surendranagar. We have turned it into organic 100% natural cow-based farming. So we started this farming since 3 years. It is 100% natural cow-based farming. And recently we started a brand called Krishna Valley Farms. It has all the organic products and it is led by the women of the family, this brand.
So do you want to add something, Deepal?
Just is all this homemade, totally homemade, and our tradition is we are giving other persons.
Okay. And what are the nutritious value and why is it very important to use this
Can I talk
product
in
instead?
Gujarati? It's okay.
It's okay.
અમારે ફાર્મમાં જે ગાયો છે એ ટોટલી ગીર કાઉ જે કહે છે એ છે જેનું A2 મિલ્ક હોય અને જે ખૂબ જ પોષણવાળું હોય જેમાં અને અમે ગાયોનું કાઉઝને ખાવડાવવા પીવડાવવામાં બી એ જ રીતનું ધ્યાન આપીએ છીએ અને સંપૂર્ણ પોષણયુક્ત ખોરાક આપીએ છીએ જેના લીધે એનું દૂધ બી એ રીતનું મળે અને એનું ઘી બનાવીને ટોટલી ક્લીન ઘરે બનાવેલું ઘી છે વલોના ઘી જે કહેવાય દહીંમાંથી બને તો એની ન્યુટ્રિશન વેલ્યુ વેલ્યુ ખૂબ જ વધી જાય જે રૂટીન ઘીમાં તમને ના મળે જોવા. એ જ રીતે મોરિંગા પાવડર છે એ સરગવાનો પાવડર હોય, એમાં ઇમ્યુનિટી ખૂબ જ હોય જે ઇમ્યુનિટી બૂસ્ટરનું કામ આપે. અને બાકી લેમન પીકલ, આમલા મુરબ્બા એ બધું અમારું ટ્રેડિશનલ ગુજરાતી રેસિપીસ છે કે જે તમને નોર્મલી બજારમાં ક્યાંય નહીં મળે જોવા માટે. એ ટેસ્ટ અને એ આખું નહીં મળે, હાઇજીન લેવલ ટેસ્ટ ને.
Thank you so much for being on my channel. Thank you.
થેન્ક યુ.
So Mihir, do you want to tell our viewers that why post-pandemic this kind of products are very important?
This kind of products were always important as far as I am concerned and my understanding goes. But what the pandemic, the collateral advantage of the pandemic has been that people have realized the importance of preventive lifestyles, if I have to give it a name.
That's
and,
true.
And that is where this entire gamut of products which are natural or organic or are healing in nature, people have kind of understood. So it's now out of need that people are searching for such products.
Hi, I am here with Rucha Bhandari, who has a brand called Working Progress. Rucha, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, hi.
So do you want to talk to our viewers about your brand?
Okay, so Work in Progress is sustainable organic clothing. We promote upcycled clothing and sustainable fabrics. And we've been making collection out of Kala cotton recently, and then we have taken a lot of designer fabrics and we've created collection. We have different techniques where we use different level of waste. There is a half meter waste, then there is zero waste, and then there are products which we create out of all these techniques. So yes.
So Rucha, what is Kala cotton? Do you want to tell my viewers about what is Kala cotton?
So Kala cotton is one of the organic form of cotton which is available in India right now, and it grows only in Kutch. It has a special quality which gives you a feel of a linen, and it's a very fine fabric. The more you wash it, the softer it gets eventually after a time. It's a very beautiful fabric to wear. So this is a sheet which is a zero waste sheet. You can use it like a mat, or you can just use it like a decor in your house as putting up a display. So this is a technique what we have used. There's almost all kind of waste, and we let it be in a way in a artsy form so that people can use it yeah.
And you can create some products out of it.
Yes,
as
we've
well.
already done over here. This is one of the products what we have created. We've created something like a bag hanging out of small zero. So the stuffing inside is like these kind of waste. We don't use cotton. So there is not a single piece of fabric we let out of our studio. We use every bit of it. So considering this technique, you can see we have used all kind of waste. So this is one of the waste we have created. So all the jewelries also has different level of waste over here. So yeah.
These are neck pieces.
Neck pieces with the pouch inside.
Very nice. So do you want to explain to our viewers that this zero waste technique what you use?
So there's a lot of stitching waste which usually comes out. So we use those stitching waste and create textures on our outfit. This is the smallest form of the waste that we have used, and we have created a jacket out of this texture.
It is beautiful.
Thank you. And then there is another technique. So there is laser cutting what we have done. This piece has been cut into little lasers, and can you see the detailings? Every piece has been handcrafted over here. So we usually get different kind of waste. So this jacket is an example of that. We got Kosa silk. There is stretchable lycra black, and this is a silk. We have used this different form and size of the fabric and created this texture. So we create a sheet first and then create a product. It's not like it takes more time to make a product after 2 meter fabric than creating a sheet first and upcycling and thinking where to place what. So I'll show you more. Like this jacket, it has a different detail, different kind of fabric everywhere. We kept the fabric lining inside so that it looks beautiful from inside also. Like it's just not an outside piece. So
And Rucha, where do you source your fabrics from?
So Kala cotton comes from Kutch, and all these fabrics we have designer friends who we ask that whoever wants to give us a little bit of their leftover fabrics which they think they don't want to use it anymore, we take it from them.
I think this is fantastic. I'm really impressed with your work.
Thank you.
So Rucha, thank you so much for giving me this interview. I am sure my viewers would love to hear about the work you're doing.
Thank you so much.
Ria is here with me from Aratrika, one of her friends' brand. She is she is using her friend's brand to promote sustainability.
Yes.
So Riya, do you want to tell our viewers about the products what you are selling here?
Absolutely. Please come over. We have pencils which are made out of the newspaper. There's no wood involved. And we have biodegradable capsules at the end. This one is onion seed pencil. Once it's over, you can plant it and you'll get the onion plant. You will be very happy once you use this pencil.
Okay.
Similarly, we have different steel straws. So you would be getting the steel straws which are robust and maintainable. You can use it and replace it with your plastic straw.
Okay.
We have plant-me diaries.
Okay.
So once you are done writing, you can plant it. There are seed papers and the procedure is involved here. So you can plant it for sure.
Can I focus on that, please?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Just a second. Rahul, something. We have the upcycle diary, which is made out of the waste fabric which are resourced from the tailor.
Okay.
And we have the waste paper which is resourced from the printing press. This is hand stitched by all the local women, so it increases the women empowerment as well.
Okay.
We have it in 2 sizes.
Okay.
We have also the mandala book. So the mandala style is used to increase the concentration, and you can color it with our seed color boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, if you are a traveler, you love traveling, then you can use the sustainable travel kit.
Okay.
There are 9 different items.
Okay.
And there is also a hook which you can use for the with your travel backpack.
Okay.
We also have the travel kit, the cutlery kit.
Okay.
And the one thing I love the most is the steel straw and the cleaner. So you can clean it wherever you go.
Okay.
That's it. I hope you choose sustainability. I hope you improve the environment, and I hope you inspire others.
Thank you so much for giving me this interview.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I am here with Sargam. Sargam, do you want to tell our viewers what exactly are you making here?
Hi everyone, I specialize in vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free cakes, and today I have a carrot cake, I have date walnut cake, I have rose pistachio, and I have lavender, which isn't vegan but it's egg-free, and I had a chocolate cake that was gluten-free, refined sugar-free, but that's sold out, and I also have some really flavorful kombuchas and handcrafted sharbats that are made by us exclusively at home.
So, do you want to tell our viewers how did you come up with this idea?
Well, I just got interested in, I was baking for a very long time,
Okay.
and I also wanted to do something with beverages. So when I learned how to make sourdough, that's when I came across fermentation.
Okay.
And once I found out about fermentation, I started to read more about it, and that's when I discovered kombucha.
So the drinks which you made, how are they beneficial to you for your health?
So they are great for your gut, they are great for your digestion, because if your gut is in like proper condition, your digestion is fantastic, and it just helps in your overall well-being. It keeps you energized because it contains a little bit of caffeine.
Okay.
So because it's made with tea essentially. I also have low caffeine variants, but I don't have them today.
Okay.
But yeah, essentially it's also like a very good replacement for sodas.
Okay.
So now that summers are here, this could definitely be an alternative for soda.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for taking our time and giving me this interview. I see that you have a lot of people waiting.
Thank you.
And,
Thank you. Thank you.
If you're new to my channel, you not subscribe to my channel, do subscribe. We have amazing women like this. Today we are interviewing so many of them on my platform on a regular basis. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.